इतना पागल दिल है मेरा. So hi dear Sagittarius, a very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot. This is a general love reading for all the Sagittarius Sun, Moon, Venus rising. Keep in mind this is general, it might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, roles can be reversed anything, and the third thing, this is a reading from today till the 10th of November. So let's start, honey. Your partner's current energy right now is Sagittarius. It's a long thing to say, Sagittarius. So I'll call you Saggy, okay? So let's see, Sagittarius, your partner's current energy right now is Two of Pentacles, very confused and conflicting energy, not able to decide. They are having two equal opportunities in their life, two equal offers in their life, you can say. I don't know, it could be job offer, it could be a love offer, it could be something related to their personal or professional life. That is, they are having two equal opportunities to invest in both of them and they are confused. So this is conflicting energy basically. Right now your partner is going through some kind of confusion. Let me clarify the Two of Pentacles. Let me clarify. Queen of Wands and the Chariot and the Five of Wands. Or Five of Pentacles, sorry. They are confused because somebody is walking out. They are trying to move on from a heartbreak. They are trying to move from a heartbreak situation. They are trying to move on from a situation where they felt like somebody left them in the cold. They were highly passionate about someone in their life and they have to move on. They are forcing themselves to move on because somebody left them. Somebody make them take this decision. Okay? It could mean anything, that they were passionate about a project or work or something, but they have to move on. They have to leave the project because that's not working out for them, or there's something that is not good in their current energy. Something related to a passion that they have. It could be for a person, it could be for a project or work, it could be for anything, and they're moving on, trying to move on because they're hurt, and that's why they're confused. That's why they're in confusion right now. What should I do? What should I do? What should I do? This is the story of their current energy. Let's see what's your current energy, Sagittarius. What's your current energy? Four of Swords. You are meditating right now. You are contemplating your life. You are analyzing each and everything in your life. You are like in this phase that I have to take a step back. I have to heal from this heartbreak. Basically, you are healing. You are in the healing process. You are healing from a heartbreak or you are healing from a heartbreaking situation. And that person is also facing the same. So basically, you guys are mirroring each other right now in the current energy scenario. Let's clarify. Let's clarify. It could also possible, now I'm getting the story, that they had two options in their life and you left them, okay, or they left you and they are moving on. Very difficult to read these type of energies. Ten of Cups, Seven of Pentacles, and the Emperor could be dealing with an Aries here. So what you're doing right now, you're trying to be happy. You're just waiting for the right time. You have taken certain kind of decision because for your happiness, for your long-term committed connection. You have taken a decision that this is how I'm going to do it and this is how it should be, okay? And you're just waiting for the right time to make this decision happen or make this decision work out. So that's why you are right now in a meditative phase. That's why right now you're on the break, silent and just healing from a situation, okay? Cool. Let's see what this person feels for you, Sagittarius, their feelings for you. Seven of Pentacles, confused, very confused. They are having lots of opportunities or options in their life and they are very hell confused. This person is hell confused about this connection with you. Might be they are having lots of options in their life or they are just trying to keep their options open. Okay, and that's why they are confused. Which is the best option? What should they do? What should they do? Very high confusing, conflicting energy that they are right now in. Let me clarify the Seven of Pentacles as feelings for you. Let me see. Okay, got it. Justice could be dealing with the Libra, Queen of Pentacles, and the King of Pentacles. Okay. They're just trying to do justice. They're trying to bring balance in this situation with you. Okay. They're trying to heal and they are trying to bring maturity and practicality in this connection with you. See? So they're very confused. This person is feeling very, very confused and conflicted regarding this particular situationship with you, or relationship or connection with you. They're trying their best to bring balance in this connection. Could be dealing with a Libra here. They're trying their best to bring balance in this connection and do justice with you, with this particular connection. They feel like doing justice. They feel like healing the situation with you, and they feel like to bring the maturity and companionship to some kind of long term, you can say. It could mean that they just want to start with a friendship and they just want to bring balance in the situation, and they want this friendship to grow with time and grow into something mature and practical. This is they feel. This is how they feel. They feel confused and conflicted. They want to do justice with the situation. Okay, and they are just trying to heal. They just feel like they want you to heal. They want themselves to heal in this situation. This is complicated energy. Okay, let me see what they want from you, Sagittarius. Six of Swords. They want a peaceful resolution to this situation. Whatever situation right now you are in, guys, this person wants to bring balance to the situation and have a peaceful resolution, to find a peaceful resolution to the problem that you guys are facing with each other. This is what they want from you, a peaceful solution. They feel like you are right now in a very, very negative zone, or they are right now, or this whole situation or this whole connection right now is going through a negative phase. So that's why this person just needs a peaceful solution to this problem, a resolution, and move towards a better future together. Okay, let me clarify. They just want you to release the negativity and find a solution to the problem rather than crying over the spilled beans. Okay, let's see. Spilled beans. God, what? Okay, let's see. Death. Okay, and this is the Hanged Man and the Three of Pentacles. They want to restart. You could be dealing with a Scorpio here. This person want to restart. What they want from you, they want you to restart. Please end the situation. End the situation and restart. Just look at the situation or the connection from their point of view. Understand their point of view and work on the connection with them. Put in the effort, put in the energy and work on the connection with them. This is what they want from you. They clearly want to end the particular situation and the current situation with you. They want you to see their perspective as well. Try to understand their point of view as well, and then just after understanding their point of view, then put in the effort and put in the energy from their side, from your side, sorry, and bring a peaceful resolution to this solution. This is what they want from you. I got this card. Sorry for this. This is like nothing. Okay. Cool. Let's see what is coming towards you till 10th of November. Sagittarius, let's see. Two of Swords. Again. Conflict. Not a decision, not a... I don't see there is decision coming towards you, or you are going to bring balance to the situation, or you are going to take any kind of decision, or both of you are going to take any kind of decision, because I feel there's conflict, war, mind war going on between you two. Okay, might be they are going to say something else, you are going to listen something else, and fights might be crossroads. You will be on the crossroads. You will not be able to decide what should you do. Let me clarify. Five of Swords, the Hermit could be dealing with the Virgo. Three of Swords, God. Ego battle, you guys are going to fight with each other, then you guys are going to, it's a mutual energy, the outcome is mutual energy, but but it's mostly for the person, for the sign that I'm reading for. So what you're going to do is you will be in the on the crossroads. There will be ego battles going on between you guys. Okay, you want to win in anyhow. You want to win the situation, win the game, rather than the person. And you will try to look within, and you will understand that you are completely heartbroken. You're completely heartbroken, and that's why you're not able to decide. That's why you are on the crossroads. You're trying your best to understand what is happening, but you are trying to be strong also at the same time, simultaneously. This is a very complicated situation, and that is kind of heartbreaking for you. Okay, from two of swords this is going to three of swords. So from conflict it is straight going towards a heartbreaking situation or heartbreak. Okay, so thank you so much, Sagittarius, for tuning in. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.